I actually traveled to China's silk capital expecting ancient weaving, but the truth I found inside this factory completely shocked me. Look, silk is more than just an expensive fabric. Its production is frankly a little primal and intense. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how real silk is born. It all starts here, with this tiny creature. This is pure biology, not some synthetic fiber. These silkworms are truly high-efficiency machines. They have one job for their entire life: eat mulberry leaves, but they are incredibly picky. The workers told me this stage is everything. If the worms don't eat well, the thread they produce will break. Once they're full, they start spinning. This single cocoon is one continuous unbroken strand. Can you guess its length? It's nearly 1 kilometer long. That's 1 mile of thread from one single cocoon. It's unbelievable. Stepping onto the floor, the first thing you feel is the heat, and then you smell something like cooked organic matter. To unwind the silk, they have to boil the cocoons to soften that natural protein, the sericin. This right here is the crucial step, reeling the silk. Now, the common myth is that silk is delicate. The reality is the opposite. Even though a single filament is invisible, the fiber is actually stronger than steel by diameter. These machines are literally converting biological fiber into industrial material. Many assume all modern silk production is now automated, while weaving uses machines. Crucial steps like sorting and cleaning still require human hands. Machines are too rough and risk destroying this perfect natural fiber. Just look at this luster. Going from a simple leaf-eating worm to this high-value fabric is truly a profound transformation of life. This trip showed me that true luxury is not just a price tag, it's the countless processes and millennia of heritage behind the product. The next time you put on silk, remember it's a gift from a very unlikely corner of nature. If you enjoyed this kind of exploration, please hit that like and subscribe button. See you in the next video.